Okay, so let's look at this last example, driving a truck. So something you have to pay attention to is the scale here. So we have fuel, starts at 20 and it goes by 20s. That's the fuel in gallons. And then the time driven, H, hours. So whenever we find our slope, we need at least 2 good points. Those 2 look like good points, but you can actually use any points.
I don't see.
So if we go down, it's going from 200 to 180. Minus 20. So we are rising negative 20 and running 0 to 2. Just 2. Only one of them is going to be negative, not both. Because going up and down decides positive and negative, but you always go right. So our slope is going to be negative 20 over 2, but then we can simplify it. So M equals negative 10. Yep.
Do I have to put that in?
So then we need to talk about the meaning of that. So we need to look at fuel, time driven. So we would do, remember, Y is on top, X is on bottom. So we're going to say negative 10 gallons per 1 hour. So instead of saying negative 10, let's say.
Oh, I'm going to use 20 gallons of fuel for every 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay, too?
The truck uses, what did you say?
I put he uses 20 gallons of fuel for every 2 hours.
Yeah, but then we can simplify it to say you lose 10 for every 1 hour. Or the truck uses 10 gallons
That's the right.
per 1 hour driven.
Not bad for them.
Yeah, don't know what kind of truck. Maybe it's 18-wheeler. Okay, let's look at our x-intercept. So here's our x-axis. So we need to see where's across the x-axis, and it's right here. So we need to write that as a coordinate. So you start at the origin, you go over 20, up 0. So 20, 0. So the meaning of this, 20 hours, 0 gallons. So 20 hours, 0 gallons.
I thought you can drive 20 hours before you're going to pass.
Yep. The truck can drive for 20 hours before running out.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
If you think about it, so this is a truck. I figure this is like an 18-wheeler or something.
Probably, yeah.
Because my vehicle will only take about 18 gallons total.
Mm-hmm.
This is 200 gallons that you're filling it up.
Yeah, I didn't think it was a.
What kind of vehicle do you have?
Yeah, no,
It's
What kind of vehicle do
probably.
you have?
a little SUV. Okay, let's go to our y-intercept. Y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So it's right here.
Yes.
So it'd be at
0 to
200. So then we need to write down the meaning on that one. What is that? What's the meaning on the y-intercept?
I just put you start
How much
off
gas you
200
started
gallons-
with?
You start off with 200 gallons of gas.
Yeah. Oh yeah. The truck starts with 200 gallons of gas. Yeah, I messed up. The trucks. Mhm. And so let's write our equation for driving this truck. So it's y equals mx plus b. Equation. So y equals,
Negative 10.
negative 10x, because that's your slope, plus
200.
200 is your starting amount. And it's negative 10 because you're going down. It's being used. I forgot to do the powerlifting equation, though. So the powerlifting equation, what was the slope there?
35.
So 35x plus whatever we started with. The starting amount was the bar, so plus 45. All right, so go ahead and glue this in the next page of your journal.